According to Acumen Research and Consulting, the global commercial aircraft airframe materials market is projected to reach a revenue of $10.4 billion by 2032, growing at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 8.2% from 2024 to 2032. In 2023, the North American market held a significant share, with a value of approximately $1.8 billion, driven by robust advancements in aviation technology and the region's strong demand for modernized fleets. Meanwhile, the Asia-Pacific market is expected to outpace other regions, achieving a remarkable CAGR of over 9.1% during the forecast period, fueled by the rising air travel demand and rapid expansion of the aviation industry in countries like China and India. When we think about commercial aircraft, we often picture sleek designs soaring through the sky, but what truly makes these giants fly is their airframe materials. Modern aircraft primarily use aluminum alloys for their lightweight and strength, allowing for efficient fuel consumption. However, advancements in technology have introduced composite materials, like carbon fiber reinforced polymers, which are even lighter and more resistant to corrosion. These composites can reduce the overall weight of the aircraft by up to 20%, translating to significant fuel savings and lower emissions. Additionally, titanium is used in critical areas due to its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio and ability to withstand extreme temperatures. The combination of these materials not only enhances performance, but also ensures safety and durability. As we continue to innovate, the future of airframe materials promises even more exciting developments, paving the way for greener and more efficient air travel. For a sample report copy, please visit the link in the description box. Thank you.